Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. And to all my returning subscribers and viewers, I really do appreciate that you always come back to watch my video. Thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe though, please hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the post notification bell right beside it so that you get notified when I post a new video. Now let us get into the business of today. Let's stay tuned. For this gorgeous tie, guys, I used the Darling Natural Twist Air. Yes, this style is the Jumbo Kinky Twist. So this air I felt was going to do very well with this hairstyle. And these were the only packs I had left in the house. And I had prayed so dearly for them to be enough. And it was possible. I used exactly 3 packs for my full head of hair. And thankfully, I created large sections, and that was why I was able to use just 3. However, for the next time I might be trying out this hair, I will create more sections. You will find out why eventually as we go on in this video. Now, to do this hair and minimize tension as much as possible while creating the individual braids, what I had done was I did not braid too tightly at the beginning of my hair. Like, I did not braid the roots of my hair too tightly because I knew I was going to pass the braiding hair through my hair. And of course, you do not want it to be too tight because you don't want to be tugging at your hair at all. So after passing the kinky hair through my own individual braid, I took another section of the kinky hair and wrapped and started braiding them together. Yes, you're going to see this well enough as the video progresses because I just feel like I should just give you a little bit of explanation, but trust me, you're going to understand what I'm talking about as you watch the video on. So basically at the beginning I did 3-strand plaits, and then after braiding the hair up to like about 4 times, I transitioned into now twisting the rest of the hair, bearing in mind the fact that I had to wrap my individual braids as much as I could with the braiding hair so that I can hide my single braid in this kinky hair extension. I hope you understand what I'm saying. See, I'm not going to talk anymore. I'll just allow you to watch the video. I'm sure you're going to get the hang of what I'm talking about as you watch the video, okay? So at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that if I was going to be doing this hairstyle again, I would do more sections of individual braids, because as I was doing this hairstyle, I discovered that my individual braids were too large, and hence it was quite difficult for me to really hide my individual braids with the kinky hair. It was difficult to wrap the single braids with the kinky hair. So at some point I had to even divide some of the braids and create 2 braids in one section. You'll see that as the video progresses. So in order to make the braids thinner and help me wrap the hair well enough, I divided one section, and I divided one braid into 2. Like I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but basically for some extremely large sections, I loosened it up to about 2 inches before my roots, and then I divided the hair and braided and created 2 braids. So that means that I eventually got 2 smaller braids, and hence it was easier, like much more easier for me to wrap the kinky hair extension around these braids. So bear it in mind. I made this mistake. I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake as I did. So if you're going to be doing this hairstyle and your hair is as thick as mine, try as much as possible to 1, stretch out your hair well enough, and 2, try not to braid your hair into large sections as I did. Okay? By the way, guys, I really want to say a big thank you to everybody who has just newly joined this family. I see you guys, and you do not imagine the happy dance that I make whenever I see that there's a new subscriber amongst us. I really do appreciate it. So if you're watching this video for the very first time, you're yet to subscribe, or you've always been coming back and you're still thinking whether or not to subscribe, please waste no time. Kindly hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell right beside it, so that whenever I post another video, you'll be the very first person to get notified. Trust me, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video if you hit that subscribe button. And please do not forget to hit the thumbs up. Give me a huge thumbs up, as this helps me a lot to get my video across to more people. I would really appreciate if you could do that for me. And finally, if you could help me share my video now, that would take it a notch higher. So please just do whatever you may to help support this growing channel, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.